Welcome to my origamikharadee channel. To begin making an origami paper heart, you need a square piece of paper. If you're using a rectangular sheet like A4, you can make it square by folding one corner diagonally to the opposite edge and trimming off the extra strip. Place the square paper flat on a surface with the colored or front side facing down. First, fold the paper in half vertically to create a center crease, then unfold it. Now fold it in half horizontally and unfold again. You should now have two crease lines that intersect at the center of the paper. Next, take the top edge of the square and fold it down to meet the center horizontal line. After that, fold the bottom edge up to meet the top edge, forming a long rectangle. Now, fold the top left and top right corners down diagonally so their points meet the center crease, creating a triangle shape at the top. This will become the top part of the heart. Now move to the bottom corners. Fold the bottom left and bottom right edges diagonally upward toward the center so that their tips meet just below the top triangle. This step shapes the lower curves of the heart. To finish, fold the side points and top tips inward slightly to round the edges and give the heart a smooth, curved shape. When you're done, you'll have a flat, symmetrical origami heart that looks lovely from the front. It can be used as a bookmark, decoration, or a sweet handmade gift to show someone you care. I hope my viewers like this video, so subscribe my Origamikharadee channel for more interesting videos and don't forget to press the bell icon. Thanks for watching.